Hey, what's going on? My name's John Erickson, 6'1", 185 pounds, and I actually get this question a lot. Are these my real teeth? Considering I played hockey my entire life, and the answer is yes, they are. I've been pretty lucky. I played Division I hockey in college, Ivy League, got drafted to play pro by the Canucks, played in their farm system for many years, then moved on and played in Europe for many years after that. So I can certainly play. Grew up playing defense. I play 3 nights a week these days, and I play both offense and defense. It really depends on who shows up on any given night and where we need to fill gaps. But I can certainly skate, shoot, take a check, hit somebody, and do it as many times as it takes. I've got some video of me recently playing. It's back when I had my yellow hockey helmet. I just recently upgraded. The thing was getting old. So you'll see what I can skate like. And I'll even throw in one where I knock a guy over, even though it's supposed to be non-check. So let's have some fun. Thanks.
If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up